Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this new release from Remette. This is the RT-BEE. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome folding EDC knife from Remette and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Remette for sending me this awesome knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. And here's a look at them vertically next to each other so you can compare the width of these. Let's get a rough measurement for overall length with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 4 inches long. And now with the blade open. And back to vertical. And a rough measurement with the blade open from the tip to the end of the handle. Looks like we got just about 7 inches long. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here just to give you a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and it looks to be pretty much the same thickness as that. Let's run a ruler across here and see if we can get a rough measurement of the thickness. Looks like we got just about 3/8 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area. And it looks to be just about the same thickness as 2 US quarters. Let's see if we can get it to read here on this ruler. It looks like it's just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at 3.6 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 3.6 ounces feels like, well, if you got 4 AA batteries around the house, it'll get you pretty close. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. There are 2. Your first opening mechanism is your flipper lever. That's what this little fin is here, sticking out of the grip. And they put a little curvature in here and a little bit of jimping in the front here, so you have some space to pull back your finger. Method number 2 are your dual thumb studs. It's very easy to rotate this blade around with your right or your left hand. Or with a little bit of practice, you can just flick it open. Regardless of which method you choose to open up this knife, it is going to be fast and smooth because this blade is pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. And there are tons of knives out there that are fast and smooth. But when you open up this blade, it makes a certain sound. It feels a certain way in your hand. It just feels so good. Your locking mechanism is a liner lock. If you follow your liner, you'll see here that an arm will swing over to the base of the blade and lock it into place. To disengage the blade, all you got to do is move that arm on the side. One-handed operation is safe and easy. Let's have a look up front at the blade now, starting over in the thumb ramp area. Here's a good look at your jimping. You turn that sideways so you can see the aggressiveness here. Not too bad, feels nice under the thumb. Beautiful drop point blade. High shoulder right here, you can see it. Finish is very interesting. Nice sheen on here. They're calling this a ceramic sand spray. This blade also has a finger choil, so you can really choke up here and control the blade more if you're doing more detailed knife work. It also serves as a sharpening choil, making it very easy to sharpen the entire edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. And as far as the grind goes, this is pretty much flat. Right? We got no curvature here. Very easy to sharpen and maintain these. And a very strong blade. You got a lot of mass behind your edge there. Steel type being used up front is one of my favorite Swedish steels. 14C28N, 14% chromium is going to give you really good corrosion resistance. And because of the unique combination of carbon, vanadium, and tungsten, you're going to get great toughness, easy to sharpen and maintain, great edge retention. And as we're going to see in just a little bit, takes a nice fine edge. Look at the shine coming off that. Let me get you guys a closer look at these gorgeous black G10 scales. There's a good look at the texturing. Small scalloping here, but pretty smooth texturing. There is a titanium version out there, but I love G10. It's incredibly durable and performs really well in different weather conditions. And I love what they've done here with the milling of these holes. I like how they go from small to big, but most of the time you'll see knife companies just skeletonizing the inside of the liner, but here they've done both to save on weight. Yeah, you can see straight through there. Love the way that looks. Fairly neutral and flat top of the grip here. You have one single finger choil up in the front, so you're going to go one up front, three in the back. Little bit of a pommel back here to hook your pinky in. Nice comfortable grip. Here's a quick look at your matching G10 backspacer. Well done, look at that. And I don't know if you guys noticed this, but right back here is your titanium pick. Look at this thing. Now I have a Swiss Army knife with a plastic toothpick in it, and I've used this thing so many times and it comes in so handy. But that's plastic. Look at this thing. Look at the point on this thing. You can use this for stuff like ejecting SIM cards, poking fruit, cleaning teeth. Just well done. Love the way it just fits right into the back of the handle. Well done. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. Going to turn it sideways so you can check out the profile. They have skeletonized it here to save on weight. And because the toothpick is on this side, it's not reversible. Tip up carry only. And here's a quick look at what this knife might look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. You're going to have a little bit sticking up over the top, but it makes it very easy to pluck it out of your pocket. All right, here's a profile view. Back over to the front. All right, let's test out this factory edge. Oh, that is smooth. Absolutely no toothiness. It's just gliding straight through. No effort. Sharp. And with an edge that sharp, should have no problems getting through some paracord. Easy. All right, let's finish up with cutting some cardboard. So easy. So smooth. So much fun, guys. Once again, guys, this has been the RT-BEE from REMETTE featuring these gorgeous milled out G10 scales. An incredibly fast and smooth action when the blade opens. Great Swedish steel that's easy to sharpen and maintain, coming out of the box so sharp. And don't forget about your titanium pick. If you're looking for a new budget EDC knife, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from REMETTE, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.